Ciao a tutti! Hello everyone! Welcome to Fly High, where you're gonna be flying high in language learning with me, Francesca.
And James.
And here we are for another episode where we're gonna be seeing how we ask, where are you from in Italian, and how we answer. So if you guys ready for that then, let's explore it together. So we have two main options to ask where you're from in Italian. The first one goes, what is it? The first one that would be in English.
Not generally, we would say where you're from, really.
Where are you from? Okay, so where are you from? We got informal and formal ways. So we have informal, di dove sei? Di dove sei? So di is of or from, dove is where, and sei is you are. So di dove sei? You want to try, James?
Di dove sei?
Yes, so di dove sei? So it's pretty simple, really. Formally, we would have to use the polite form. So the polite form is the form with the lei, right? So we will have to say di dov'è, because the è corresponds to lei è. So it will have to be conjugated accordingly. So di dov'è? Di dov'è? And then we can say as well lei di dov'è. So we want to maybe stress the lei on this occasion, and we want to say lei di dov'è? Where are you from? And we can also move the lei at the end, and we can go di dov'è lei?
Is it like an inversion or something?
Yeah. It's just basically where you want to put the stress really on the sentence. So lei di dov'è, and di dov'è lei, you put it at the end. Yeah,
so basically it's just like saying from where you are or something.
Yes, yeah. From where you are. And di dov'è lei. Okay, you want to try with the three of them.
Okay, so we've got di dov'è.
Yes, di dov'è.
Okay, lei di dov'è.
Yeah, lei di dov'è. Yeah.
Di dov'è lei?
Yeah. Di dov'è lei? See my intonation, but obviously it takes some time to develop the
of course.
Intonation. Yeah, of course.
Fourth lesson, so.
Yeah. So now option number two, we use the verb to come. So in English it would be
where do you come from?
Yeah, where do you come from? And it's the same structure in Italian. We say da dove vieni, so from where you come, da dove vieni. So you noticed in the di dove sei, we say di dove sei, of or where. So we use the di, the preposition di. On this occasion, we use the preposition da. Okay, so that's something to remember. So da dove vieni, so from where you come, da dove vieni. You want to try?
Yeah, da dove vieni.
Yes, da dove vieni, very good. And formally, again, we have to conjugate the verb to come according to the third person singular. So for the lei, for the polite form. So we would have to say da dove viene, or as well, we were saying about the lei, we can stress it out, so we can put it at the beginning or at the end. So we can go lei da dove viene, and also da dove viene lei. Okay? So you go with the
nice flow to it, you have.
Yeah.
Okay. Da dove viene?
Yes.
Lei da dove viene?
Yes.
Da dove viene lei?
Yes, repeat last one.
Okay.
Da dove viene lei?
Da dove viene lei?
Yeah. Da dove viene lei?
Da dove viene lei?
Lei. Okay. Yeah. And
It's not too bad. Not too bad.
not too bad. So now, how do we answer that? So in English, we would say I am, and then we will say the nationality. So, for instance, I'm Italian, I'm English, do that. In Italian, it's the same. So we go sono, so I am, and then we say la nazionalità. Nazionalità is the nationality. So we go sono italiana, I'm Italian. James would say sono inglese. So you want to say sono inglese, it's yours.
Sono inglese.
Yeah, sono inglese. So you guys put sono, so I am, and then you put the nationality, your nationality. Okay, so very simple, just like English. You can also say, if you want to say which city you are from, then you go sono di, and then you put your city. Just like in English, you say I am from, and then your city. So in English would be, let's say, I'm from Milan. In Italian, sono, you see, di Milano. So, sono di and the city.
That's
So,
nice,
sono
yeah,
di
yeah.
Milano. If it was your case that you're from Birmingham,
Sono di Birmingham.
yeah. So you see, sono di and your city. Very
Not too bad,
very
yeah,
easy.
yeah.
And how do we answer the question from using the venire, using the to come from? Two options again. We would say, in English we would say I come, and then we go from, the preposition from, and then we go the country. Like I come from Italy, I come from France, I come from the UK. Okay? In Italian we would say I come, so vengo is I come, da, from, and then we'll have to have an article, so it's the article preposition basically. So based on the country, on the country name, if it's a feminine country, masculine country, we're going to see a few examples, and then we got the country. So we have, for instance, I come from Italy, it would be vengo dall'Italia, vengo dall'Italia. So you see that we got vengo da, but then we got the two L's there, and then apostrophe and Italia. Italia is a feminine country, so corresponds basically to la Italia, that gets apostrophe, so we chop away the A, so l'Italia, right? Italy. So it gets basically united with the from in this article preposition that is dall'Italia, okay? Vengo dall'Italia. And if we have to say I come from the UK, UK is Regno Unito, so it's a masculine country, so it will have to be vengo dal Regno Unito, because it's a masculine country, so it would be da, and the corresponding article for Regno Unito is il. So we put it together, and I'm gonna get an episode ready on the article prepositions as well, because they can be quite tricky. But basically that's what we would do really. So vengo dal Regno Unito. So you want to try and say that you come from the UK? So I come from the UK.
Venga dal Regno Unito.
Vengo
Dal Regno Unito.
Yeah.
So vengo dal Regno Unito.
Yes, unito.
Okay. Unito.
The accent is on the I, so unito, you see, not unito, like united in, let's say in English. The accent wouldn't fall on the U, but on the I. So
Okay. Unito.
Unito. Yes.
Okay. There we go.
Struggling with the accent.
Yeah, no.
So now I come from, you want to say the city that you come from. So I come from Milan, for instance. Vengo da Milano. So the structure is the same as in English. So vengo, I come, da, from, and then you put your city. So vengo da Milano. If you come from Birmingham, this should be easier to say.
Vengo da Birmingham.
Yes, here you go.
Easy peasy that
Easy.
one.
You need to work on your Regno Unito so.
Next lesson, I'll say as an honourable mention.
Yes, it's your own country, I mean.
Yeah, can't say it properly then. Yeah.
So now we can enact a couple of conversations, the informal and the formal one, so that we can put it into practice. So the English conversation, so I give you the English translation first of what we're going to be saying after. So, hi, I'm Maria. Hi, Maria, where are you from? I'm from Rome. I'm Italian. So I'm going to start with, hi, I'm Maria, okay? Ciao, sono Maria.
Ciao Maria, di dove sei?
Yeah, sono di Roma. And I can also say, sono italiana, sono di Roma, sono italiana, I'm from Rome, I'm Italian.
Yeah,
Okay?
that's good.
Second one, formally, we would say, where are you from, sir? I'm from Milan. And you? I'm also from Milan. So I'm going to ask James, does the sir, okay? So, di dov'è, signore?
Sono di Milano, e lei?
Okay? Sono anch'io di Milano. Okay? So, how did you find it? Did you find it quite easy? Was it quite easy to say? Yeah. And we're going to do a couple more examples now with the to come from. Okay, so the same conversations that we just done. So the Maria and the sir, basically, the informal and the formal. But we're going to be putting into practice the to come from. So, hi, I'm Maria. Hi, Maria. Where do you come from? I come from Rome. I come from Italy. And then the second one, where do you come from, sir? I come from Milan. And you? I also come from Milan.
Mhm.
So let's start. Ciao, sono Maria.
Ciao Maria, da dove vieni?
Yes, vengo da Roma. Vengo dall'Italia. Okay? And now I'm asking you, where do you come from, sir? Da dove viene, signore?
Vengo da Milano, e lei?
Vengo da... Did you say Milano?
Yeah.
Okay, say again, sorry.
Vengo da Milano, e lei?
Vengo anch'io da Milano. Okay? I heard something a little bit muffled. Just saying. So, yeah, now we have a few more examples, just in general, that we put in the other persons too. we put in the other persons in, so basically like, let's say you plural, or where is someone else, like a third person plural, third person singular, and then third person plural. So, you give me the English here.
Okay, where do you come from, you two?
Yeah? Da dove venite voi due? Yeah, you go with the English always.
Okay, we come from the US.
Yeah. Veniamo dagli Stati Uniti. So in this case, we were asking the you, the plural you. So where do you come from, you two? You guys, you two. So da dove venite? You see, we have to conjugate the verb to come according to the second person plural. So venire is an irregular verb that you can find as well. I got a lesson on the irregular verbs. So if you are struggling with those, so you see the whole conjugation of to come, of venire. So you have to conjugate it second person plural. So da dove venite voi due? And then, obviously, we come, we have to say veniamo. So veniamo dagli Stati Uniti. Now, second one.
Where is your husband from?
Yeah. Di dov'è tuo marito? Di dov'è tuo marito?
He's from Paris. He comes from France.
Yeah. È di Parigi. Viene dalla Francia. So, è di Parigi. Viene dalla Francia.
Okay. Where do your plants come from?
Yeah. Da dove vengono le tue piante? Da dove vengono le tue piante? You see, here is third person plural. So it's as if it was a they, right? Your plants is a they come from where. So da dove vengono? So it has to be conjugated accordingly, really. Yeah?
They come from Japan.
Yeah. Vengono dal Giappone. Vengono dal Giappone. Again, a couple more examples.
Easy ones.
So, yeah, you go with the easier question, but you go.
Okay, cool. Sì, di Venezia.
Okay, so you ask me, is asking me if I'm from Venice. So, are you from Venice? So repeat the say properly.
Sei di Venezia.
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 Okay, yeah, Venezia. So, it's Venice, okay? And I'm gonna go, yes, I'm from Venice. And you? Or I can also say in the negative, no, I'm not from Venice. Or no, I'm from, say, Turin. And you, okay? So, he asked me, sei di Venezia? And I'm going, sì, sono di Venezia. E tu? So this is when I answer with a yes. If I answer with a no, I can say, no, sono di Milano. Or no, sono di Torino. E tu? Yeah. So it makes sense, right? So now, formally, you ask me if I am American.
Okay. Lei è americana.
And I can go yes or no, right? So, sì, sono americana. No, sono italiana. So you say the country where instead you're from, your nationality. Okay, so yeah, these are like just a couple of
nice little quick things just to
yes.
say.
So just to know, when you have to say yes, I am from, or yes, I am, and your nationality, and no, and you correct. Basically,
it's good for like emergency Italian when you're over there and you're having a small conversation.
Yes, as well.
Yeah.
Especially maybe even if you are in a restaurant and the server asks you, "Oh, where are you from?" And you go, "Oh, okay. Oh, you're from France. Oh no, actually, I'm from Belgium." Saying because maybe he hears you speaking French, and you know. So it's nice to know how to say it really. And yeah, I think that we're done for today. I think this was a nice short.
I need to work on my pronunciation again. Every lesson. It's going to be the same.
Comes with practice. And I'm sure that you guys are also working on it. And so let us know how you found it. And if you found it helpful, please let us know your thoughts in the comment section down below. And if you enjoy this content, please like and subscribe. Thanks again so much for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you, me and James, in the next episode then. Ciao, ciao!
Ciao, ciao. Ciao.